If your phone screen has turned from this to this with multiple vertical colored lines like white, yellow, green, purple, or red colors, then don't skip this video for any reason. In this video, I'm going to show you the causes, the solution, and how to prevent these vertical lines from appearing on the screen of your phone in future, and the model of phones that are most vulnerable to this must. So stick to this video to the end and do well to share with others. Save the video for reference purpose and subscribe to this channel if you are just coming across to my video or to my channel for the first time. Now let's head straight to our business of the day. The causes of these vertical colored lines. If you ask people randomly, they will give you a series of reasons behind the cause of these vertical lines on the screen of their phone. Some will tell you that their own just started developing after using their phone for some months or some years, while some will tell you that their own started developing after their phone fell down from their hands, while some will tell you that their own started flickering after the phone fell inside water and what have you. Their reasons might actually be correct, but in this video, I'm going to review most of the things you need to know about the cause of these vertical colored lines. Number one is OID or AMOLED panel damage. AMOLED panel damage. The AMOLED stands for active metric organic light emitting diode, which control the pixels of your phone that is responsible for the identification and shaping of the display and images of your phone. Just bear in mind that pixel is the reason why you are able to identify colors and image on the screen of your phone. So I might not go in details to explain the meaning of what pixel or AMOLED does. Here are the triggers to the damage of AMOLED panel. Number one is phone drop or fall. Once your phone falls from your hands, even though that it didn't cause any physical damage on the screen of your phone, the impact of that fall might have caused crack on the flags or cable that connect that AMOLED panel to the motherboard of your phone, thereby causing that vertical colored lines on your phone. Number two is pressure on the screen. If you are fond of putting your phone in the breast pocket, side pocket, or back pocket, or allowing heavy objects to rest on the surface of your phone, then this will cause damage to the flags to that very AMOLED panel, and thereby leading to that vertical colored lines on your phone. Number two cause of these very vertical colored lines is loose or damaged display connector. If your phone started flickering, you understand what I mean by flickering, or the line usually appear and disappear sometimes. Just bear in mind that the display connector is loose or damaged. What that can lead to loose or damaged display connector is when you allow unexperienced technician to handle your phone, or allowing water intrusion into the phone. Or the third one is long wearing and expansion of the terminal. These are the things that can actually cause the loose or the damage of the display connector. So once such a thing happens, what you just need to do is to take the phone to the professional technician to help you refix their very display connector, or to change it if it has damage. Number three causes of these vertical colored lines on the screen of your phone is the display driver IC failure. Once the IC of the display driver has failed, it will lead to the multiple vertical colored lines ranging from white, green, purple, yellow, or red colors on your phone. How to solve this very problem on the screen of your phone if you're having any of the colored vertical lines on the screen of your phone? The most recommended solution to this is to take your phone to a professional technician to refix that very display panel with a good one. And in some cases, the technician can simply change the flags of that very AMOLED panel with the good one, and it will start functioning. If the flickering of the phone screen or the vertical colored lines is caused by the loose or damaged display connector, you can simply change or fix that very loose connector, and it will start functioning properly. How to prevent this from happening on your phone in future? If you are already experiencing this, and after spending money to repair your phone, and you don't want it to start happening again in future, avoid using rigid phone casing. Use flexible one that will protect your phone very well. Avoid playing games with your phone while charging it. Use correct charger, and don't trust your phone to unexperienced technician for repair. Here are the list of phones that are more vulnerable to this kind of vertical colored lines on the screen.
Phones with OLED or AMOLED screens are more prone to this issue than LCD phones. Examples of the phones include, but are not limited to, the following. Number one is Samsung Galaxy S series, Samsung Galaxy Note, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series, and some selected models of Samsung Galaxy A and M series, iPhone X, OnePlus flagships, Google Pixel OLED models, and many Xiaomi OLED models. Samsung phones are often reported because Samsung manufactures a large percentage of OLED display used across industries.
If you have found value from this very video, do well to share with others and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.